In the heart of the Hellenic world, nestled among the rugged mountains of Parnassus and the azure Aegean Sea, the city of Olympia stood as a testament to the spirit of sportsmanship and competition. The year was 776 BC, and the first recorded Olympic Games were about to unfold. The Games were the brainchild of the powerful King Iphitos of Elis, who sought to unite the warring city-states of ancient Greece. The idea was simple yet profound: a festival of peace, held every 4 years, where the athletes would gather not to wage war but to test their strength, skill, and agility in a series of athletic contests. The Games were to be held at Olympia, a sacred site dedicated to Zeus, the king of the gods. It was here that the athletes would take their oath, swearing by Zeus to compete fairly and honorably, a promise they would strive to uphold throughout the Games. The first Olympic Games were a spectacle unlike any other. The competitors, hailing from all corners of Greece, arrived in Olympia with a sense of camaraderie and determination. They represented their city-states, their pride and honor on their shoulders. The events were simple but grueling. The stadion race, a 192-meter sprint, the long jump, the discus and javelin throws, and the pancration, a brutal combination of wrestling and boxing. The athletes trained tirelessly for years, their bodies honed to perfection, their minds focused on the ultimate goal, Olympic victory. The first winner was a cook named Iphitos, representing the city of Elis. He triumphed in the stadion race, setting a precedent for future Olympians. His victory was celebrated throughout Greece, a symbol of unity and peace in a time of constant strife. The Olympic Games became a beacon of hope, a reminder that despite their differences, the people of Greece could come together in the spirit of friendly competition. The Games continued for centuries, surviving the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of time. The first Olympic Games of 776 BC marked the birth of a tradition that would endure for over 1,000 years. It was a testament to the indomitable spirit of the Greeks, a symbol of their unyielding pursuit of excellence, and a legacy that continues to inspire us today.